welcome to the Forge. It's a game where you mine rocks, kill zombies, forge more weapons and armor, and then level up. And then that's the whole game. Right, so let's get started. Yeah. Let's start, yeah. Of course, yeah. Oh wait, I can re-roll. Wait, let's see. Elf probably want like zombies, but no. Like bro, it literally has minus 25 HP, so no. I hope I don't get human. Goblin, let's see what's okay. Ooh, 12% discount. Yeah, I'll keep that. Oh wait, a pickaxe. Look at this. Look at me, I'm so small. Okay, so let's get going. Wait, I can dash. Alright. Seems like we also have stamina. Nine. Oh, iron. Stone. Oh, stone again. Wait, what did I do? Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Let's just keep mining. Huh? What's poopite? Is that the most useless or something? Okay, so oh wait, I can. Oh, I'm so small. Look at me, and I have a spiky nose, and I'm green. Not a fan of green, but it's fine, I guess. But I do like forest green, not this green. Goblin green, yeah. Oh wait, let me just do two stone and then forge. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so oh wait, I can do this. Okay, keep the arrow within the yellow zone. Alright, this is like fresh actually. This is like fresh. Oh, what's this? Oh, a sword. Okay, this should be easy. Okay, bad. Perfect. Oh, two perfects, two beds. Alright, that's fine, I guess. Let's see how much damage it deals. 1 damage. Ew. Let's see how much damage this one does. Okay, this should. Okay, now let's hit the hole. Oh my god. Oh, this is a big one now. And it's longer. Oh, okay. Perfect. Oh my god, I'm so good. So good. Oh, let's see how much damage this does. I'm just going to compare them. I'm just going to compare them. Let's see. 1.7 damage, 1.8 damage. I'm equipping this one. No, yeah. Oh, so fast. Probably because of my goblin face. Want to sell my items, so accept. Deal. Oh, so I need to buy a new pickaxe. Let's see. Get a bronze pickaxe. Mind power 7. No. Just equip it. Wait, can I sell my stone pickaxe? Can I sell it? Can I sell it for more money? Oh, yes I can. But it's only 1 gold. Right. There's going to be part, so the video won't get too long. Oh, that's a lot of zombies. So parkour. Yeah. Oh no, I don't want to get noticed by him. Go, run away. There's a zombie. No, I'm not strong enough. Okay, mining stone. Oh, banana. Uy, 1 in 30 chance. That's pretty good. Stone. Oh, 10. Thought it was stone. Oh, is that copper? Oh, I also got a mushroom. Wait, mushroom. Because it's a mushroom. Oh, zombie, fight it. Come here. Yeah. Come fight me. Yeah. Yeah, you're weak, bro. You're weak. Yeah, die. Right. Okay, let's go back to mining. Oh, silver and sandstone. Inner cave. A critical. Oh, another critical. Oh, wait, let me just mine this one first. Just going to mine this one. Oh, I can forge armor. Carbordite. Yeah, bro. What the frick is that ore? Is there even ore like that in real life? I have to go. Oh wait, I have to go right here. Oh, lantern. Oh, bard. Is he sad? Find guitar. Alright. Try to find your guitar, I guess. Armor. Let's see. Let me just do silver. 2 silver. 2 gun. Then light helmet. I'm just going to get a helmet. Just piece. Going to get a chest piece. The leggings, yeah. They come up, yeah. Oh my god, why is it coming up and down? Going up and down, actually. Helmet. Why is it? Oh my god, I'm so ass. Oh, what? Oh my god. So bad. Well, at least I got a 2 defense. Yeah. Going to make another one. I hope it's a chess piece this time. 1, 2, 1, no, no, no. Oh my god, is there anything? Just get rid of the banana because I need the leggings. Probably wait from let's see what was it again? Carbonite? I'm going to swear to God if I freaking get a helmet and not leggings. Right, if I freaking get a helmet and not leggings, I'm going to say what is. Alright, let's start. Yeah. Is there like a way to break it? Oh my god, man. I hate this. Delete. Why is it not deleting? Too from it. How can I equip an armor? Oh, silver. What is this? Oh, extra movement speed, right? Oh, iron pickaxe, right? Oh, 10 mine power. Wait, I'm going to sell my copper one. Because, next event? What's going to be the event? Going to sell this and this. Let's see. Oh, yes. Come on. I hope I get poopite, I guess. Like, what even is poopite? I'm just going to... No. Wait, you know what? I'm going to go to the rocks. Because Pebble sucks. Literally the worst. Oh my god, there's a level 3. No, I'm not. I'm still not level 3. Wait, I'm level 5? Well, it's too strong, so no. Carbonite? Oh my god. 2 bananite? Yeah. 2 bananite, alright. How can I mine this? Oh my god, man. Can I get... Oh! It's literally just a poop. Thought it would be a third or something. Another poop. And it's an epic too. Probably the rest. I guess. Going to keep mining. Banana. Wait, I need to get 35 ores, alright? Then I have to kill 3 zombies. I need to forge armor. Yeah, because I really need armor. Especially that leggings and because helmet sucks, man. Even though it protects your head, but it doesn't protect your heart. And not mining the boulder. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Is the oh my god! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Wait, why am I just spamming? Can I parry it? Parry, parry, parry. Yeah. Can't parry anything. Oh, did I just parry? Yeah. Die, 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 die. Oh. I almost died fighting normal zombies. How did it climb up? How did it climb up? Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Oh my god. I'm just going to go back. Okay, just keep running away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Yeah, I'm so fast. You can't catch me, huh? No way. So that zombie with a weapon? English is not my first language. If you're having a hard time understanding my English, come on, just keep getting. Oh, 2 bananite. Bananite. Now I only need stone and copper. 2 poopite. Wow. What does poopite even do? Does it give a special effect or something? Or is it just normal? Or it doesn't do anything? Or probably it does something because it's literally poop. Will probably make you smell bad. Don't mind my background because I'm in my house and not in my room. And I'm also not in my room. I'm in my mother's bed. Oh, my parents' bed. My dad and my mom is also here. But I'm just in the corner. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, last time before I tackle zombies. Yeah, now where are they at? Where are they? Where are they at? Yeah. Is there so many though? Oh, wait. Oh my god, 3. I can't take that. Just let me attract 1 and not 3. Yes. Die. Yeah, you're weak, man. Die. Level 1, this should be easy. Since I'm level 6. Dash. Yeah. Dodge. Okay, now I just need to forge something. But I'm going to find the guitar first. Is it like in the mines or something? Is it in like the grass? Is it? Oh, wait, there's something. Oh, a skeleton. Oh, there's the guitar. Are you dead or something? I think he's dead, I guess. How am I? Oh my god. How am I walking on the ladder? Oh! Okay, I thought I was in another place. Okay, now I just need to give it back. That's a lot of money. Just noticed that I have $400. Wait, I'm going. Patay! Pwede ka umalis dito sa higaan. Bakit? Nag-record ako at saka narinig to. Alright, I'm back. Oh, a key. Oh, wow. A key. Oh my god, and I almost have 150 stars. 1K, 1, blah blah blah, right? Let's just forge. There's banana for a light legging. No, it should make it. Swear to God, if it isn't a freaking leggings. If it's a helmet, you are my sworn enemy, bro. Just give me leggings. Is it? How did I even get a chest piece? Was it like 7? Oh my god, I just messed up. Okay, perfect. I was lagging. Literally didn't show. And Colonel for defense. Okay, now I just need to make a leggings. Leggings. I'll probably remove one of. I swear to God, if I get a light chest piece. Okay, let's just forge. Then, why is it so slow? Why is it so slow, man? Okay, now I'm going to end the video once we have full leather armor. Is it? If it's a freaking helmet, I'm go. Yes, finally. Oh my god, I was literally lagging again. How was that bad? It was literally close. Oh my god, man. Okay, now my quest should be finished. Wait, I'm going to equip my lead chest piece, lead leggings. Yeah, now I have the full fit, man. I'm full fit. I'm just going to forge a weapon before. Can I use just like banana? Oh wait, I look you want a gauntlet. Gauntlet seem cool. Yeah, I like gauntlet. Banana. Gauntlet, I want it. Gauntlets plain pretty cool because literally gloves with metal gloves. And it's probably cool. Oh, it's glove. Yellow one. Yellow gloves. Well, I mean, it was expected since. How was that a bad? Those literally close. Okay. Oh. Look, I got 100. Oh, 10 damage. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna just equip it. Where is it? Iron Hand. Oh, oh my god. Look, and I pose cool too, man. Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm probably going to grind offline, so see you in the next part.